the helicopter started shaking and bubbling, and it just bumbled, and I didn't want to see that part. There was fear, there was lost hope, there was a dependency on the pilot that maybe he will help or stabilize this helicopter. But I was looking at him at this point and I'm thinking, he's not gonna make it. At some stage I thought it was unreal. You know how you watch a movie and you wonder, is that really real? This is a real story. It happened to someone who is here speaking right here today.